Hi, my name is Leah Madden, and today we're going to be talking about the Lewis structure and the ideal gas law. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is Lewis structures. Lewis structures are a structure that shows bonds between an atom and a molecule and lone pairs of electrons and that may exist in a molecule using dots or lines. To draw a Lewis structure, all you have to do is find the total number of valence electrons, which is found on the periodic table, or also it's also connects to the number of electrons on the atom. And then the step 2 is to find the number of electrons to make the atom complete, which you do that by adding up the total number of valence electrons. And step number 3 is determine the number of bonds in the molecule. So, for example, for the chemical compound nitrogen dioxide, there would be one line or two dots connecting one of the oxygens to nitrogen, and then on the other side there would be four dots or two lines that connect the oxygen and the nitrogen, because there needs to be 17 electrons in total. How to draw a Lewis structure part 2. So the fourth step is to choose an atom that goes in the middle. So carbon is able to share 4 electrons and hydrogen is only able to share 1. So we put carbon in the middle because it's able to share the most electrons. And for step number 5, connect the other atoms to the center with lines or dots. So what you have to do is connect carbon to both of the hydrogens, and we use 2 dots because you need 8 electrons all in total. And then for number 6, all you have to do is place the extra electrons around the atom, and in this example you don't need to do that because the dots are represented in pairs, and hydrogen only needs 1 electron. So we're going to move on to the ideal gas law. So the definition of ideal gas law is a physics law that describes the relationship between measurable properties of an ideal gas, and then the ideal gas is gas law is a combination of other scientists' discovery from Boyle's law, Charles' law, and then Avogadro's law. The ideal gas law equation is P, which is the pressure, times V, which is the volume, equals N, which is the number of moles, times R, which is the gas content, times T, which is the temperature, and then usually the temperature is converted to Kelvin. An example problem for the ideal gas law is, so I'm going to start off with the variables, which P is equal to 1.003 atmospheric pressure, and then we're trying to find V, and then R is equal to 0.08206 liters per atmosphere over moles per Kelvin, and then the temperature is equal to 297 Kelvin, and then N is equal to 3 moles. So next, all I did was set up the problem, and on the left side I got 1.003 atmospheric pressure times V is equal to 73.11546 liters per atmosphere, because everything at the top end up canceling out. And then because we're trying to find V, I divided 1.003 atmospheric pressure on both sides to get V by itself, and I end up getting V is equal to 72.80 or 187 liters. That is my video. If you have any questions, my email is in the description box. Thank you.